We have to send for Adaka. We cannot watch Ikemba mourn in pain. He's slipping away from us.
Yes. If we have to make a sacrifice of blood to the gods, we have to do it.
I have sent for Adaka already.
And what then is keeping him?
Where's Adaka?
It's on his way.
Oh, that's good.
Good you are here. The herbs have stopped working on Ikemba.
We must make a sacrifice of blood. The sacrifice must be the heads of 2 young men.
If that will save the life of our beloved king Ikemba, let us do it fast.
Dimika, get your men and go to Anukpa and get 2 young men. Bring them here alive.
Yes, you shall.
How is my father?
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings.
I'm afraid he's not getting better. But there's hope. Adaka said he will only survive with the sacrifice of 2 young men.
Go and get the men anywhere.
We are going to Anukpa to do so, my prince.
Go now. My father must not die. Go quickly.
Yes, my prince.
Go. I am going to see my father.
If you set your eyes on him, you will die.
Grandmother, he is sick. Can't I see him? Even on his dying bed.
Don't be stubborn, believer. You've not bothered all these years to see him, and suddenly you want to see him now. Do not say I didn't warn you. As soon as you step your foot in that compound, Otubilo will strike you dead.
What is that?
I have told you that before, when you were younger.
That was a long time ago. I can't remember.
It is the League of Spirits protecting the king against any potential successor. You are one.
Agumba the great warrior. Agumba, the way you are now, you are fit to break Omalinze's neck. Break his hands.
Listen, Iboka, as I'm talking to you now, I feel like going for a wrestling bout in the land of the spirit. Yes, Agumba.
I support you. I support you. Agumba. Agumba Wokem. Agumba Dogu. Agumba the great one. Agumba
Oriewu Naji Kambo.
Agumba Ekali Oriewu Naji. Ine Oriewu. Riaji. Rikwabubo. Are you not the great one? Yeah? Agumba. Agumba. The great one. The great one. Give me a Obia. What do you do? Eh? Agumba.
Wait.
Agumba.
Are you taking cover at my back? Wait. Does my chest look like cheek? Doesn't arrows penetrate flesh?
Agumba, you're the great warrior now. You're the great Agumba. Do something.
Wait, look at. She ran this way. Meaning that Dinka is coming from this way.
Very correct, Agumba.
Okay. You know what, Iboka? I am going to go through this way and block them. Remember, I am still the great wrestler, Agumba. Let me go and block them from this way. I still remain the great Agumba.
I know Agumba.
I am still the great Agumba.
I am still the Agumba. Agumba! Agumba! I am still the great Agumba. I know you are Agumba. Wait for me! Agumba.
Hey! This is the direction. Hey! Wait for me! I still remain the great Agumba.
Agumba, you running? Agumba, let's up one also. Agumba! Agumba, wait! Agumba! 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 Why must it be us? Why? Do not look at our faces when we talk!
Men of Umodu, what do you want? What do you want?
We need just 3 men. Give us 3 men and we will leave without hurting anybody.
3 men? Just a few days ago, we gave you 7 men. We are still mourning them. Can you take animals?
Ask you to question what we want!
Please, I am appealing. I am not objecting.
Then
I can give you 7 goats.
Keep quiet! Do not speak, old man.
I am speaking on behalf of the people of Anukpa.
People of Anukpa? Is there anyone in Anukpa? Is there any man in Anukpa? Answer me! Is there any man in Anukpa?
No. There is none.
Fools you are! Fools you will be! Bind them! I don't want to take me away, Father.
Please, don't take him away. Please, he's my only son. I'll give you 10 goats. Please.
Try you look at Tinker's face and say rubbish.
Please, have mercy upon me. You can see. Please, you can take me instead. Leave my son. Go.
Babadash. This is shameful. They keep taking us away to slaughter. Gods of Amuka. Here you are, Agumba. Hiding why they take us as prey. Did you hear what Dinka said? That there's no man in Anoba?
First of all, I was not hiding. I am only performing my daily rituals in preparation for my next contest. Yes. How can I, Agumba, hide away from Dinka and his men? That is not possible. You should know that.
Yes. Yes. Agumba cannot hide for them. Onyekabu. The greatest Agumba. Hide for who? Not possible.
By the way, who is taking who as prey?
The people of Umodu. They have taken Nsofo and 2 of our young men. We would have fought them if we were many.
But wait. Were you actually expecting me, Agumba, to go and fight Dinka and his men?
They are men like us. They are not gods.
They are not ordinary men. They are warriors. The greatest in the 9 clans of Imo and beyond. I am only a wrestler. Yes.
You disappoint me. This is why they look us in the face and say that there's no man in Anoba. You be like a member. You are a warrior. A wrestler. A brother.
Look, I will wrestle this man to the ground very soon. You know what I can do.
Was he expecting you to fight them?
I will wrestle you to the ground very soon. Try me.
Is he not human being?
Nonsense. Oh wait, those people are still there.
Akata. This is too bad. When will this end? Why can't they leave us alone? Sorry, my friend. We know that one day this thing will end. Our gods will fight for us. What am I hearing? Oh God. So they spat on our face again? This is terrible. Huh? I don't know what they really take us for. Animals? This is degradingly degrading. What is this? Something has to be done. My only eye is God. Because of my brother. Please take it easy. Please.
I am ashamed to be son of Anukpa. How can we face this kind of humiliation and keep silent?
Our fathers brought us to this point. Maybe it is too late to do something now.
One day we'll wake up and find only houses standing in Anukpa.
Then they will rest.
I will not allow them to do anything to us again. It is not for me.
I know.
What if they take us all as their slaves?
All the others are scared of doing so. Because none of them wants to die.
What if they take me with them?
I will make sure I bring one man down before they kill me.
Then let's run away.
No. Only a coward runs away in a time like this. I am not a coward. And I will not teach other men how to be a coward.
I am scared. I am scared.
You don't have to be. Okay? I am here for you.
Go wait for me. Go, why are you doing this now? Why are you doing this? Ugezu, wait for me now.
What is it?
Take it easy with me. I heard what happened. I was at my maternal place when they came. If I were to be around, you know me, I would have torn one or two of their warriors into shreds.
But they took my only brother. They took my son far away.
Good. Take it easy. I am promising you, I still remain Agumba, the greatest wrestler of Anukpa. Tonight, I will go to Umodu and wrestle them, ravage the entire village, and bring your brother Ejiofor back. Trust me. I will do that for you, my love. Take it easy. Ugom. How is she doing this thing? I still remain Agumba, the greatest wrestler of Anukpa. I will go tonight and defeat them. And I will get my woman back. Yes? My woman will be great to me. Yes?
You know this palm wine has it. Yeah, that is why I always tell him to bring. Very fresh from the tube.
Greetings, my elder.
Greetings, Ebubeji. What brought you here?
I am here to ask you to tell other elders. I want permission to gather some men to fight the people of Umodu. We cannot sit and watch them take us away and slaughter us like goats.
Ebubeji, your great-grandfather was Ojadele, the fiercest wrestler ever born in Anukpa. But he never defeated anybody from Umodu. So tell me, how do you think you can do what our forefathers could not do? Are you a demigod?
Ask him! Ask him! Did you not hear that it was in Umodu that your great-grandfather got his waist broken?
Oh.
So tell me, what will happen to you when you stand them in battle? I only ask for support. If I can have 50 men, groom them, who can fight the people of Umodu, who can come together as warriors and fight the people of Umodu. That is what I am saying.
And defeat them over? Ugezu, shut up. Go home and rest. This matter was beyond our forefathers. I am advising you to go home and get married. So that when they come for you, you will have somebody who can bear your name.
They cannot come for me.
Eh?
I am not our forefathers. I cannot stay alive and watch another man's body coming. I'd rather fight.
Ebubeji,
It is a child that engaged in a separated fight that craves for more.
Oh, no. We want to go and fight.
Regina.
That men. We have to call him and get more.
It is useless to live without fighting that fights you, because it will eventually eat you. If I am from descendant of Ojadele, let my veins boil, fellow.
You are still standing here.
I have not gotten any word from my father. I do not know if he's getting better or not.
They would have sent words if his sickness was that terrible. So I believe he is getting better.
Grandmother, I want to see my father. I want to set my eyes on him.
Dilibe, how many times do I explain this to you?
That I would die if my father set his eyes on me?
You are the next heir to the throne. Yes, you are. The spirit protecting your father's throne will see you like the potential enemy to the king. Until he dies, you will not enter the palace. I am tired of explaining this to you each passing month.
Grandmother, I do not know my mother. And I will not see my father until he is dead.
That is the tradition of your people.
Adaka, the sky seems overcast.
Eye of the gods, the suspense is becoming too much for us to bear. What has happened to our king, Ikemba?
But why can't we go inside and see him?
He has joined the passage of our ancestors.
Hey!
His everlasting rest has begun.
Hey! Ikemba! Hey! Ikemba! Oh, why did you not wait a little longer? Hey!
The Iroko has fallen. I'm telling you.
We must bury him on Ikedieze from now. As you know, with 7 virgins.
Dinka, go and tell Dilibe what has happened.
You came with bad news. Tell me my father is no more.
My prince, Abba sent me to tell you. Ikemba has begun his everlasting rest.
Go and tell the elders to prepare for my father's burial. I am going to give him the greatest funeral in the 9 clans of Imo. If the other kings were buried with 7 virgins, my own father will be buried with 7 innocent slaves and 7 virgins.
I will pass your message across to the elders, my prince.
Ichie, we have to start the preparations for the burial of our late king, since Prince Delibe has given his approval for the burial.
Dinka, take your men to Anukpa. Tell them to provide 7 innocent male slaves and 7 virgins on or before the next of day.
I'll do that right away.
What do you want this time?
No, Okolo, the son of Nwokoye. Yes, the son of Nwokoye. That is what they do.
Weaklings of Anukpa, my king is dead and you are here drinking palm wine. But we have sent message to his son. Tell him to be strong.
Yes. We are here to deliberate on how to come for the burial rite.
Yes. My elder sent me to tell you to provide 7 slaves and 7 virgins for the burial of my great king, Iyke.
Timber.
Then we will be back on boarding.
Yes.
I understood.
Yes.
For how long will we take this intimidation from people? For how long?
That's why I always say we should marry many wives and multiply.
Shut up. I don't know what to say.
How can woman keep us as if and protest us in our days?
Elders, let us gather the virgins as soon as possible.
Yes, now.
And what if we fight them?
Yes.
What if we stand as men and tell them they cannot take our daughters?
Yes.
To bury their king.
Ebubeji, no one invited you here.
Go. But he is making sense.
Making sense about what?
Don't they have virgins in their clan?
Stop! Akata, stop. Do you want them to come and wipe us out in one night? They have great warriors. We cannot match them. Of course.
Are they not human beings? Do they have 7 heads? Why can't we form strong men to fight them?
Yes! I'm with you.
Ebubeji, leave title men alone to think. Leave us alone.
Leave us alone, Biko.
Not calling on Akona. What to fight them? What do you have to fight them?
Now what?
We have to provide the 7 virgins and 7 slaves and give it to them.
Yes, of course.
Before Nwokoye.
What? Yes. That is it.
We have to provide 7 virgins and 7 slaves before Nwokoye market day.
Yes. We have to do so to avoid trouble.
I will not allow them to take any of my offspring anymore.
Then you have to ready to donate yourself.
Akata, I am not ready for any war. If you want to fight a war, you have to do it all alone.
Of course. Omenuko. Did you hear yourself? Hey, just yet. Hey, just yet. Hey, just yet. You want to fight for, go and fight. You have big body.
You are worried.
Ikemba of Omodomu is dead. We must provide 7 virgins and 7 male slaves for his burial.
Why must it be us?
Because we are cowards. We are weaklings.
What do we do?
I have to call the young men of this village. I need to talk to them.
I do not want to die. I do not want to die.
My love, nothing will happen to you as long as I'm alive.
What has been bothering you since you returned from Ama? Eh?
I'm wondering if our ancestors were cripples.
Hey, to fear for. How could you say such a thing?
It is because they are silent. While the people of Umodum eat us as a kite eat the chicks when they like.
Have they sent us pamphlets for we again? And have they?
Their king.
Eh?
Our men have become so silent that silence means no shame to them.
Are you going to let them take our only daughter away from us?
Dad, my dear, I'm confused. My hands are tied. I can't fight this fight alone. It's not a fight for only one man to fight. I don't know what to do.
God. Then, I am going to take my daughter to Umuchu.
You know that is not possible. They have already placed their warriors on all our boundaries. How do you expect to get out of this clan? Unless you want them to kill the both of you.
You're not saying anything. Gucci, you're keeping me silent.
What do you want me to say? What? Can you save me from this? Can you save me from dying in Umodum? You know I am still a virgin.
Wait. Is it what I'm thinking? You want me to take you in?
Kumba, please. Kumba, please. Nobody will know.
Ugezu, I would have loved to do this. But there is this charm in my body. If I touch you now, the charm will become useless.
Of what use is your charm when you cannot use it to save your people? Useless charm.
This girl not going to give her body to someone else.
We have to get the virgins ready before they come on Wode. I'll bring 3 of my slave boys.
Look at the way it sounds in your mouth, like honey on a pallet.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to the son.
Ikedieze, you sound as if it is my making. It is not my making.
No, it's not your making, I know. It's not your making.
I'd rather kill my daughter than to watch her buried alive.
You will do no such thing, or I will tell them when next they come back.
You will tell them I know, but you have no thought of your own.
Ikedieze, watch your tongue.
If you have a thought of your own, you will say that.
Ikedieze, watch your tongue.
There is no need for this argument. There is no need. We can always take new wives that will bear us children.
Oh.
How long do you have to do that?
Ask him.
This question is useless. Ikedieze, Akata, bring your virgin daughters to the square on Kwode. Let's go.
I will rather kill myself than allow them take my daughter away. Nobody will do that.
This one you are alive. Ejiofor, Nwokoye.
I'd rather eat my testicles because they are of no use to me.
Look at those idiots. We have these people concentrate us in the
I want to believe the gods of Anukpa are not weaklings. I just want to believe this misfortune will not come to pass. I want to believe that. I just want to get lost. I want to get lost. I knew in my last war that this land was the land of weak men. I wouldn't have returned. How do we live in fear? Not the fear of hunger, not the fear of famine, not the fear of dying a natural death, but the fear of dying by another man's sword or dying a slave.
What brought you to this place? I do not know how I got here. Please, where am I?
This is Amanabo.
Amanabo. It is a far journey. How did I get here?
Where are you from?
I'm from Anukpa.
Anukpa? Anukpa? Okay. You look scared.
The people of Umodum will take us soon with them to bury their king. He came back.
Okay. Are you now running away from them?
No. No, I am not running from them. One cannot run away from our fate. What is funny?
Your people are ridiculous.
And why did you say so?
Why would you allow them to treat you like animals? My grandfather told me they tried to do that rubbish with us once. And our king killed 7 of their men.
Please, I would like to hear the whole story.
It's okay. I will take you to my grandfather now.
Your land is very peaceful.
Oh, yes, it is. My land is a very peaceful land. Please, let's go.
Is that you?
Yes, Nai. Please, where are you going to?
I want to go and buy some snuff. I've been waiting for you to return.
I'm sorry, Nai. I went to get some leaf and I met someone on my way.
Who is that?
He's staying with
me. My name is
Ugezu, the daughter of Akata. You are betrothed to Akumba, the wrestler.
How did you know my name and how did you know about Agumba?
My grandfather is actually a seer. Yes.
Come, my daughter. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. This blood, this innocent blood, will cry in the land of Modern.
Is it my blood?
Come and sit down. Come on, sit down.
No, it's okay.
Nine. I am scared. Please tell me it is not my blood you see crying in Umodum.
Do you want to hear the truth?
Yes. I know I will die. I know the truth will hurt, but I want to hear it. Am I going to be taken away by the men of Umodum to be buried alive? Am I going to die?
many sons and daughters of Anukpa will die.
What did we ever do to the people of Umodu? What?
Let me tell you how it all started. It started when a young man from Anukpa fell in love with a young woman of Umodu. It was the first time love brought hate.
Jen,
it's like you're trying to lift it.
Yes.
Oh, I will help you.
Thank you.
Where are you taking it to?
I'm taking it to my grandmother.
Is she from this land?
Yes.
Yeah.
She's Mbori, the snuff seller.
Oh, don't worry. The snuff seller?
Yes.
Oh. I know her house. Don't worry, I will take it to her.
Thank you.
It's okay. What?
I think you have to go back now so I can walk faster.
But you've not told me your name.
Oh, sorry. My name is Nina. They said I'm a reincarnation of my father's mother.
Really? Wow. I'm Udonna.
Udonna?
Yes.
Okay. I have to start going now.
I want you to stay a little while now, please. Okay, fine. Let me still walk here.
You say so.
Go back from here.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. But can I see you tomorrow?
But you don't know my father's house.
I will look for it, don't worry.
Okay, you know what? Wait for me under the tree behind my grandmother's hut.
It's okay. I promise I'll do that. Bye.
See you then.
Bye. Take good care of yourself. I don't know you can run like leopard.
Yes, I can. You don't want to go home now, do you?
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I feel like staying with you. I wish I can stay with you until tomorrow comes.
But I have to go. Father will be looking for me now. Wait for me as agreed.
My heart beats for you.
Can't you feel my own heart beats? Have you fallen in love with a stranger before?
No, you're not a stranger. Today is like ages.
Say it.
I love you.
I can feel it from your heartbeats. Please do not hurt me.
I will not.
Nena,
Father, welcome.
how is your grandmother?
She's well. She sent her regards.
Okay. Let's go and get water for me to drink.
Okay, fine.
Asam Obi Hey, why marama? The woman with a golden smile. If I have my way, I will sound Ikoro. I will sound Ikoro for the whole world to know our affection. Then I love you. I love you so much.
Nena. Where's this girl? Nena.
Father.
Please come.
Yes, Father.
Sit down. Nena.
Father.
I want us to talk like father and daughter.
Okay.
There are so many things I know that you can only imagine. I want you to confide in me. Who is Udonna?
Udonna. Oh, Udonna. Father, Udonna is a man in a story my grandmother told me about.
I have this feeling you are not telling me the truth. Nana.
Father.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you are not lying to me.
No, Father. Father, I'm not lying to you. Have you not heard about the story of Udonna, the hunter?
Listen, I am your father. I am not a child. Remember, you are to keep yourself pure until the selection of the next Ezuruonye of this land. And the gods willing, you could be the next Ezuruonye of this land. And once that happens, our family will not only be famous, we would become very rich. Yes.
But Father, I've told you I don't want to be the next Ezuruonye.
Oh yes, you will become one. I have made preparations long ago in the past. Listen, I visited a great medicine man. Don't worry, you are fortified. Yes. Come on. Put on a smile. Yes.
Even if I'm blind, I can still feel your presence.
Who am I?
You're the sun that shines in my rain.
Say that again to me.
I said, you are the sun that shines in my rain.
Are you not the perfect man for me?
The gods are wise. Hence they brought you my way. I can never allow this to end.
Neither do I want it to end.
Then it will never, ever end. Then it will never ever end. I promise you, it will not end.
Where are you coming from? I am talking to you. Where are you coming from?
Father, I went to pound some cocoyam for my grandmother.
You went all the way to Anukpa to pound cocoyam for your grandmother. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, Father.
You liar. Your grandmother just left here now. Now tell me, where are you coming from?
Father, I went to fetch some firewood.
And where is the firewood? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope you're not seeing a man.
No, Father, I'm not seeing any man.
If I find out you are seeing a man, I will so deal with you. Now get out of my presence! Get out!
You're always doing this to me, why?
Because I want your heart to beat faster.
Oh. And it's beating faster for you.
Yes.
See, I have an idea. Can you move in with your grandmother? So I'll be seeing you every day.
My father will not allow me. In fact, he's even angry about us.
Eh? You told him about us?
No, I didn't. He doesn't want seeing any man around me.
Oh, why? But you get married to a man someday.
He wants me to be the next Ezuruonye of Modern Kingdom.
Why? I thought the daughter of Ezuruonye would be the next Ezuruonye.
Our last Ezuruonye had no child. And the next Ezuruonye has to emerge before Iyala festival.
I see.
But do not let that bother you. I will not leave you.
Are you sure?
I want to go and cook for my father.
Oh, you know I miss you.
I know, and I will miss you too.
It's okay. See you at the farm tomorrow, okay? I'll wait for you. Make sure you come.
So this is the Odona that exists in your grandmother's name. Now look me in the eyes and tell me more lies. Will you shut up? Shut up. And you, young man, do you know whose daughter you are about to defile? Do you know?
Mas, no, I'm not trying to defile her.
Now on your knees. This minute, I said on your knees. And you, what are you still doing here? What are you still doing here? Will you come down? Where do you think you are going?
Father, I want to go and fetch some firewood.
You are not allowed to step out of this house until after the initiation. Is that clear? Now get inside. Nena, do you truly love him?
Yes, Father, I do.
Okay. Tell him to come and see me tomorrow. Yes.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Akiki, I call upon you again. You never disappoint me. Whoever that eats these eggs, let him die. Let him die.
Father! Father! He's here.
Greetings, Mazi.
Come on, sit down.
Thank you.
I have palm wine. Let me get it for you.
Mazi, thank you. I don't want to drink palm wine.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
You cannot come to my house for the first time and don't accept anything from me. Nena, go in and get him some eggs. Okay. This is the first time you're coming here.
Thank you.
Give to him. You can eat it when you get home.
Master, thank you. Imela.
Excuse me. Yes. Odona, let me see how you survive this. You want to stop my daughter from becoming the next Ezuruonye of this land, thereby stopping me from my fortunes. By this time tomorrow, I will hear the good news of your death. Yes. Let me see how you survive.
I'm surprised my father likes you.
Yes, I'm surprised too. He gave me eggs.
Are you going to eat the eggs alone? Won't you give me one?
Oh, you know there's no way I can eat it without giving you. I'll eat my own when I get to the house.
Hey, my father surprised me now. Eh? My father, I'm really surprised at his actions. Yes, sir. I never knew.
You know I love you so much.
I love you more.
Hey, I was afraid.
I saw you now. It's not like I was pushing you.
My stomach! What is it? My stomach! Wait. My stomach! Sorry. My stomach!
What is going on? What happened to her?
I don't know. She ate the egg. After eating the egg, she started shouting her stomach.
What have you done to my daughter? You have killed my daughter! No, just wait for me. Just wait for me. Just wait for me.
Please don't do this.
Just wait for me. Just wait for me. Wait for me.
I will use your head to bury my daughter. Idiot.
That is how the story has it.
In that case, we did not offend them.
Aya and 7 other warriors took fight to Anukpa and threatened to wipe them out if they did not bring a human head for the burial of Nena. And because Anukpa did not want any war, they accepted such condition. And since then, they have been coming into Anukpa and going with human heads.
So, we are paying for what we did not do?
So the story has it.
And why does it look like the gods are with them?
The gods are with all of us, though they seem silent.
Does their silence ever have an end? Or will they speak when we are already in the graves?
Let me tell you the truth. Go home and get prepared.
Get prepared to die?
You are what your tongue says. If you want to die, let it go down to the root of your tongue. But if you want to live, let it be so.
Ugezu. Please. You just have to be strong. For I know and I am convinced that you are a very strong maiden. If it is the will of the gods, you will survive it. But if you do not forget to come back to us. Stop crying. It's okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Take good care of yourself. Ugezu, wait! We are friends now. Are we not? I'm sorry. I have to go.
Let me help you. Huh?
I'm almost at the market.
Nani, the market is very far. Let me help you, Biko. Biko. Even they are loaded given this.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Ebubeji.
Ebubeji. Do you know what it means?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you coming from?
Now I'm coming from the shrine. I went to seek for the fix of the gods.
Please, I want to wait for my son here. Please, you can put down the pot. Hey, baby.
No.
You can take some palm wine.
No, thank you. I wasn't thought so.
But you have to take some palm wine from me.
Nani, I cannot drink on empty stomach.
You can take home. When you get home, you drink.
Okay, Nani, but I don't have a cup.
I have. For yourself.
Nani, if I should take this cup home, which other cup will you start the palm wine with?
I have enough cups. Pour for yourself.
Nani, this smells good. It must be a strong one.
There is palm wine, and there is palm wine. When you get home, dip your last finger into the cup. Stand in the middle of your father's compound and take it at one cup. Greet your mother for me. Tell her you saw the great one.
I will do that. Dalurin and Nani, you ready to go?
You can go.
You're carrying?
Palm wine.
Palm wine. You want to drink palm wine before going to the farm? What's that?
I don't know. Maybe the old man mistakenly put this in his cup.
Old man? Which old man?
He said his name is Diogo.
What? Diogo.
Do you know him?
No. My father-in-law that died 4 months after I was married gave this to my son.
Odogwu. Odogwu. Osamu dike na mbaka amuri ibe ya. He is the one. The chosen one. Finally, our humiliation will come to an end.
Mai, what are you talking about? That my son has been chosen by the gods to do what?
Woman, you are the mother of a hero. Go home and give this back to him. Let him wear this round his waist, where no one can see it.
You have not told me what I want to hear.
Woman, it is not about what we want to hear, but about the truth. Your son, Edochie, will fight and conquer. And when this happens, you will not be troubled. Go home. Be happy. Kokoro bi onye gbu n'ibe ya o. Ị na-ekwu me na nkwa na nwa onye gbu n'ibe ya o. Odogwu. Nna m Odogwu. Finally, our humiliation has come to an end.
Gods of Anukpa, I know you can hear me. Do you have to remain silent while the people of Umuodumo wipe us away? Please. Use me. I am ready to stop this if you can use me. Let me show them that there are men in Anukpa. Let me fight them. People have God. If our gods are protected, let them do something to stop. Let them stop.
Say what?
Who am I? What am I? Mother! Mother! Mother!
I watched him break the firewood. I saw the axe hit his leg and nothing happened. Is that the handiwork of the gods?
Woman, if you wouldn't bear this, the gods wouldn't have brought it your way.
What?
Go home. The gods are at work. Let's about that you go. Chukwu Ekele. Ekele.
Agumba! 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 Agumba, come out. Come out. Agumba, come out!
Bitch, you can scare someone. Eh? Have they come again?
Agumba, have a plan. I have a plan. We need to lay an ambush and take the warriors of Umodum unaware on Unko Market Day.
Ibiji, are you mad? Ibiji, Ibagwala. Oh, no wonder. Ibiji Nenyozigenyo. Oh, Ibiji, think I don't know your plans. Oh, you don't want them to take your love, Unenwa.
See, Iboka, this is not all about Unenwa. It's about our maidens, our sisters. We cannot allow this to happen. We cannot let them take our sisters and bury it with that the wicked king.
Ibiji, we have so many maidens. So many Irika.
Can you hear yourself talk? Can you listen to yourself? If we don't stop this now, when do we stop it?
Ibiji, what the gods cannot stop, is it you that can stop it?
Ibiji, if you think you've grown to be a strong man, go and lay ambush all alone and fight the warriors of Umodu. I am only a wrestler.
You are only a coward.
I am not a coward.
Then prove it.
Oh. Well, I have defeated Ekwe of Umutu. And I, Agumba, defeated Okrike of Atina.
Tell him. Tell him again. He has forgotten.
Agumba, all he said is the truth. We are maidens sharing at you, singing praises of you. If we allow these people to take our maidens and bury them alive, who will share it? Who will sing your praises? Agumba, you are a warrior. A wrestler is a warrior.
We shall fight them at Ama. We shall gather all our men, put them together, train them, and we shall get our message and slay them like gods.
That is the voice of a warrior. Iboka, will you join us? Huh?
Why are you asking me that stupid question? If Agumba will be there, then certainly I will.
I'm happy to hear this. You know what? I have to go and get ready. So try and get ready. Go market day. Remember, according to Kaisibia.
We shall fight.
According to Kaisibia.
We shall fight. We shall fight.
Were you serious when you said we shall fight?
We shall fight.
Did you say it because he was here?
Come and drink palm wine.
By this time tomorrow, we will be led away to be buried alive. And I'll never get to see you again.
You have to be strong. Besides, we have a plan. We'll not let them take you away.
What plan?
When the time comes, you will see it.
Will you take care of my mother when I die?
You are not going to die. Nothing will happen to you.
But the gods cannot even save us.
There's nothing we can do.
Of course, do we have any choice?
No, we can still fight. We are not cowards.
Let's out them away.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up! I can fight you. Come on, fight us. Come!
What? Because what?
Who else wants to challenge me?
I promise you,
come back with it. It is your head my king will sit on for eternity. You idiot! Move! He actually thought that we are going to fight and kill Dinka.
Next time, he will learn how to mind his business.
Hey.
Don't mind him. Everything is nonsense.
Wait, are you still seeing them? Oh. Have they gone?
Let's do it.
My prince, we have them now. My prince, we have them now.
Tell the elders to wait till I return.
Yes, my prince.
What a beauty.
Not allow him to return until after his father's burial.
That is what he asked me to say.
Go back and tell him that he will only return after his father's burial.
But Agba, since Ikemba is dead, he can come back to give his father a fitting burial. Otiburo will not harm him.
Uzo is right. Otiburo only kills when the king is still alive.
That is it.
We'll let him return and join us in preparation of the funeral ceremony. He'll come back.
There's no point.
Unangwa, stop crying. We'll soon be free.
Shut up! Just shut up. You caused the death of my father. If you had not fought them, my father wouldn't have died.
Shut up, idiot! I am sorry about your father's death. Agumba and Ibuka betrayed
you. You lie! Ibubeji, you lie! It is your making and not theirs! I hate you! I hate you!
What?
Icheuzo, tell Idika to take some guards to Akpo and get a very big coffin. While you go to Oboji to get beads and bracelets for Ikemba, I will go to Ikeju to pay for the cannon guns for the burial.
Okay, I will do exactly as you have said, Ichie. Since the burial is almost at hand, we actually need to move fast.
Yes.
I will get across Idika to tell him your instruction.
Please do.
While I go to where you asked me to go. Dinka,
sure.
You go with some warriors to accompany the Libe home.
I'll go right away. Please do.
Ichie, without wasting time, let me be on my way.
Please do. We have to make hay while the sun still shines.
Exactly. Thank you.
Deliver, come, stop. You don't have to do this. Why are you being stubborn? Why do you want to be stubborn and risk your life?
Grandmother, I'm old enough to know what I want.
It is not about being old enough. It's about the tradition. It is about the Otibiro.
Has Otibiro killed any prince you know when he saw his father before his burial? Grandmother, you see, Otibiro will not harm me. I am the next king, not a threat to the throne. Grandmother, you've cared for me all these years, and I appreciate. Please, stay well.
I don't even stay long in the market. Once I sell few things, I pick my basket and I go home.
Ikemba was a wicked man. He didn't believe he would die after taking war with innocent villages.
What did I hear you say? Did I hear you say Ikemba was a wicked man? How dare you?
Did I call your name? Are you Ikemba? Can't you continue your journey?
I will deal with you.
You will deal with who? Do you know the wife of who I am? I am the wife of the great Ojukwu. If you touch me, he will find you and kill you.
By the time I'm through with you, you will not live to say what happened to you. This time, you won't open your mouth and curse my father.
With your wife attacked and we met a man from Umoto.
Okay, what happened?
The man strangled and Taku to death. Why is a wicked king? No.
Strangled my wife? No! Ah! Take me to where they come. My prince. We are coming to accompany you home. Who did this to my wife? May Amado take my life if I forgive this.
For how long do we have to wait for my visitor? Idika! If you like, spend the whole day in the bush, emptying your stomach. We cannot wait for you any longer. Meet us at the palace. We cannot wait for him any longer. Let's go. Welcome, our prince. Welcome, prince.
Inca, my prince, where are the prisoners for the sacrifice?
Over there.
Since when has the elephant become an animal you see in a hurry?
look at a prince like that. Sumodo, you for breakfast.
Does it mean he didn't see us?
I am wondering.
Maybe he wants to make sure the prisoners are intact.
That attitude is very appalling.
Very, very appalling.
What nonsense.
Rubbish.
What is your name?
And what do you want to do with your name?
Shut up! You fool!
I am not a
fool. Soon, termites and maggots will feast on your body.
And that is if I am not a son of Anukpa.
Did you just talk back at Dinka, the head warrior? Are you mad? One more word from you, I will get you beheaded.
Before you behead us, please, can we at least get some water? Please.
Dinka,
my prince,
tell the guard to get her some water to drink.
Right away.
Have mercy on us.
I won't keep quiet here.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Keep quiet.
Richie, how do we do this issue? We have to wait for the prince to come. Yes. The prince to come? The prince has to come first. He's already here. Okay. The prince is here. No problem. My prince.
My prince, you didn't behave as if you noticed us.
How is the preparation going?
All is going on well. Well, let me introduce the elders present. This is Iheme.
We will talk when I have my rest. Where is the body of my father laid?
He's in his room. The burial is in 2 days.
Where is his room?
There.
He is so rude
and arrogant. Very arrogant.
Ojukwu the Great, what brings you here in this mood? Hope all is well.
I do not come in peace. Someone from this clan killed my wife on her way from the market. I want to know the man who killed my wife.
Ojukwu the Great, we are mourning. We will make sure we find the man that killed your wife and hand over to you. We don't want to have any problem.
This is the one who killed your wife.
Young man, you have no fear.
You killed my wife! Stop! You put it right. They apologize for the death. Please come back after the burial of it. I will come back for one thing. To have my wife back alive. And if I can't, I will wipe out the Duckland. I will!
Hey! This is trouble. This is big trouble in the chair. Hey!
Anyway, how did this happen?
I do not know what he's talking about. If he wants war, we will give it to him.
Hey! Did I hear you say war? Have you seen anyone going to war with Ojukwu? Hey! He's half human, half spirit. He can turn to lion, he can turn to stream, he can turn to whatever he wants to turn to when he wants to fight.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
He can even turn into a raging fire. This problem shouldn't be coming by now.
Hey.
We'll find a way to deal with this.
Let's talk about my father's burial.
All is said. We're only waiting for that to ask the God if he should be buried at night by morning.
My father will be buried in the next 3 days. Send words to the clan and tell them that Ikemba will be buried in 3 days.
And what Adaka said?
Adaka is not the son of my father. My father will be buried in 3 days. Ninka, please show me to my room.
This way.
What do we call this?
Trouble! That is what it is called. Usobu. Hey! Stay back! You, step out. Makagini.
No. Please, I don't want to die.
Step out! Leave her alone! Don't you dare! Shut up! Let her go! Let her go! Let her go! Be quiet! Let her go!
Do not be scared. I will not hurt you. What is your name?
My name is Unenwa.
You are beautiful.
What use is my beauty when maggots and termites will feed on my flesh soon?
Nobody will touch you. I will not be alive and watch anyone touch you. I will ask them to replace you with another maiden.
Why are you doing this?
I want you. I want you to be my queen, the mother of my children. After my father's burial, I am going to pick a wife before I am crowned the king of Umodum.
I will hold you by your words. But I will remain in the cage up until you prove yourself honest.
You're not returning to the cage anymore. Not anymore. Dinka!
My priest!
Prince, take her and go and clean her up. And give her something good to eat.
My prince, she is one of the...
Was one of the virgins. Okay. That are meant to be used for my father's burial.
Yes.
But not anymore.
This way.
I will not forgive this. I support you. They should not be forgiven. I will take them unawares. Set the palace and the whole clan ablaze. I know how to go about it. Ujuku the greatest. Ujuku the greatest. Ujuku the greatest. What is this I heard?
What did you hear, old man?
That you changed the burial date of your father?
And how is that supposed to be your problem? We are talking about my father's burial here. I've chosen the date, and that is final.
What about the gods? Don't you have to consult them?
My voice is the voice of the gods. Go home and get prepared. No, sit. Please sit. How are you?
Very well. Thank you for the food. You are a kind man.
Do you mind if I touch you?
It might lead us into doing something evil.
Do you want anything?
Yes. Yes. I want my best friend Ugezu freed.
I will do that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. What is your name?
Delibe. Prince Delibe.
Delibe. You're a nice man.
Who do you want me to set free? Is he the one?
Ugezu.
Dinka, my prince, release her. Ask the maid to clean her up.
Mama, thank you. Thank you very much.
Is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
No, my love.
I will do anything to make you happy.
Thank you, my love.
Unenwa, what has he done to you?
Anofia, Ifa Janafu, Onyega Bunyenzo Puta, Obokanisina.
Do you think what I think? What could that be? Ibubeji would think you betrayed him. He is here because he wanted to save us.
He caused the death of my father.
It was a mistake. It is clear Agumba and Ibuka betrayed him.
Why are you telling me this?
If Ibubeji dies here, it will be terrible. He's not supposed to die.
Can we eat in peace?
The prince, do you love him?
He is kind.
You love him, but does he love you?
If he doesn't love me, you wouldn't be here.
Then if he truly loves you, let him set our people free. Ask him to do that.
I have asked enough! Ugochi, can we eat this food? I am glad that he's fond of me. I am glad that I will not be buried alive.
What did he do to you?
Ugochi, if you do not want me to eat this food in peace, I will leave it for you.
It's okay. I'll leave it.
Gods of Anukpa, I know you did not bring me here for nothing. Do not allow them to spit on your face. Do not allow them bury their king with your seeds.
I'm here for my own business.
Is it true?
Go in and see for yourself.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! In the night class of Imo, I have never seen any man as strong as you are.
There is no one equal to your valor.
Abo, you can say that again.
Hey! Ojukwu the greatest. Half spirit, half man. Hey! So, the dead body of Ikemba of Umodum is lying right here inside your house.
I will tell them that the life of my wife is more than 10 heads of the 10 kings to come.
Ojukwu the greatest. Half spirit, half human. Ekalaka. No wonder they call you the spirit. Ojukwu. Hey! Up on him. Up on him.
Who killed our gods?
I don't know.
You don't know? Flog him. Enough. Who killed our gods?
I don't know. Even if I know, I wouldn't tell you.
Who killed our gods? Flog him.
We heard you took one of the virgins meant for your father's burial into your hut. Why did you do that?
How is that supposed to be your problem? I asked Dinka to get 7 virgins and 7 slaves instead of 7 virgins. My father can be buried with 5 virgins.
No! It must be 7. Yes, 7 is the good number.
My father must be buried with what I provided.
No! It must be 7 virgins and 7 slaves, as was mentioned. Abba, I do not see him as our next king if he continues with this arrogance. Ikemba must be buried with 14 heads.
Tinka, take your men to Anukpa and get 3 virgins. 3 virgins. Then get 3 men. Take your men and go right away. Right away.
Agumba, I have not been able to sleep since Ebubeji was taken away with others. I feel so guilty. I feel you betrayed him.
I do not feel any atom of guilt. I did not betray him. Ibubeji wanted to be a hero and he got what he wanted. Why should I feel guilty about it? He was only doing that to please Nouah. Now where are they? They might have been buried with the king.
You're correct. You're right.
Hey.
No. Hey.
What do you want from us?
Do not do anything stupid, else I'll kill you. Hell. The only son.
I'm the only son of my mother, and my mother is not feeling too well. I'd rather run, ma'am.
Find them and take them away.
Let me just explain. Let me just go and take them.
Find them. Stay right there! Come here!
What did you? Said I thought we were giving you the virgins.
Find him and take him along.
Agumba. You woke up.
I see him around the room, ma'am.
Hey! What? Hey! Move! All kinds of
move!
All kinds
I said don't touch me! Move! Keep quiet!
Please. He's around the room. Move! That is the crap of a titled man. Take it along.
Move!
Now can you tell me who killed our guys? Are you going to tell me who killed our guys?
I said I don't know.
How dare you spit on me?
You want to die? Do you? How dare you spit on me?
You cannot kill me. You cannot.
Innocent.
These are old men. Look at their big stomachs. Didn't you see young men there?
My prince, their young men have gone into hiding.
Take them to the cage. and ask the elders to come and see me.
Yes, my friends.
If you need some water, do let me know.
Why you coward? Why you gluten? Why you disgrace?
See who is talking. Do you think our people are happy with you? Do you think my father's spirit has not started vengeance? Death does not just happen. People cause death. You caused the death of my father. Now do you realize you are talking to the next queen of Umodo? Do you know that I can command him to kill you before the burial?
I see. This is what we do. You will marry. We shall see. When you all start, when you all start, I will laugh at you.
We shall see who will cry for help.
The gods are wise.
I am ready to fight now. Yes. Let us fight, lest we all die.
Yes. Reggie, let's fight. Let's fight. Get out of bed.
Fight.
Fight. Did I just say you say fight?
Yes, fight.
Let's fight.
I thought I was stupid.
When I started the fight.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. We have to do something. I think you're right. We have to do something. And that is to die together.
No, no, I don't want to die. Please. I don't want to die.
I do not want to die too. I need some of my mother.
We will die together. Yeah. When we all die.
I know you are angry. But I want to use this opportunity to tell you that
you were sorry.
Let us come together, form a solid ally, break out of this prison.
I will never trust you again. Never! You are not my brothers. You are not my brother!
tomorrow, once a sword is dropped before you, kill the first man standing in front of you. I wish you well.
I heard your father was a tough man. I thought you would be tough as your father. But here you are. Sweet, soft, and kind-hearted.
Every man is tough in his own way. Perhaps the love softens me.
Fate brought us here.
And let the fate bind us forever.
What are you doing here?
So you're finally here. You betrayed Ebubeji. You ran away when I needed you the most.
My love is not what you think. I actually left to get myself fully prepared.
Coward. Coward, that is what you are. Tomorrow you will die. I wish you, Omenuka and Iboka are the only ones to be killed because you are cursed. Cursed people. Ikubechi, you are our hero. I know the gods of Anukpa will not let you die. But if it pleases them, I will make sure I tell our people about you. May the gods guide you.
Check my mother. Move back.
This is how my life will end.
Hey, you. Everybody move. Move one by one. Bind them! Bind them one by one! Move! 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 Bind them one by one!
Get a knife and split their back.
No. I want them buried on hot.
The fact with the grave. Guard! Go and tell them to keep the Ekubo standby. Hello! Tufiakwa! How can this happen?
What is it, Adaka?
How could this happen right in our noses?
Are we going to watch them die?
What do you expect me to do?
I expected you to help them escape. I expected you to talk to the prince to spare Ebubeji.
Ebubeji is not the only one there.
I know, but he does not deserve to die.
Ugezu, why are you making it look as if I'm wicked?
I did not say that. But think about it. What will you tell your children happened to Ebubeji? What will you tell them about Ebubeji? What?
Oh, Ugezu, stop it! Enough! I am done talking about this. If you think you are kind enough, very well then, go ahead and save them.
Gods of our land, we have never offended the people of Umodum before, but they keep on eating us like maggots eat rotten meat. I call on you today to fight for us. Fight for us, gods of our land, fight for us.
Where is my father?
I don't know.
Who could have taken the body of Ikenga?
I did.
Huh? I did.
Is that not Ojukwu? What have we done to you?
No. Well, brother, I have come to take my wife back alive. You know what I can do if I don't get my wife back alive?
Ojukwu, why are you making it difficult for us? How can we give you back a dead woman alive?
You know what I can do if I don't get her back? I will take 7 men home and set this palace ablaze.
Are you to say such thing before me?
Deliver, please, stop. Who are you? One more word from you and I'll cut off your leg.
Enough! Enough, Ojukwu! Then you realize that I, Adaka, I am here. I command you in the name of the gods to go and bring the body of Ikemba for burial.
And if I don't,
I will turn you into dust.
Ojukwu,
I will tell you, Ojukwu, that I, Adaka, am the strongest medicine man in the 9 clans of Imo. Kill him!
Don't you have fear?
Ozokwor in trouble! What happened? Reggie! Now, elders of Umodum, I will go home with 7 men and 1 lady. We are in trouble! We are in trouble! I will go home with all the elders and this beautiful maiden. And you, beautiful maiden, I will take you home too.
No. She is my sister.
Thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome. Can I take the slave boys home?
Yes, you can. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Run home! Run! Tell my mother that I'm still keeping my promise. Run!
Thank you, Reggie. Ebeji.
What about this? Ebeji sonade kola akpo. Ebeji biko dogu biko no. Ebeji let him live out. Biko.
Ije, Yaba.
Yes, my God.
She's alive. Ebubeji asked us to come back home and share the good news.
We are telling God what you have told you. Tell her that Ebeji is still alive.
Alright, Ije. Come on, let's go. My wife, Ojukwu, please.
Man, I'm going to come and Nagala. What's the one that Bambuko? I used to boom book on the man of my very lost home for
Move! Don't let him take us as slaves.
Yes. Virgin, please. Beg him to let us go. I don't know you.
Hey!
Coach, let's go.
Hey! Stop!
Great is the heart of a hero. His heart is full of sorrow. He will sacrifice to set his people free, to live in peace and harmony. Onyamanya dago. Ebubeji, our hero. Onyamanya dago.
Have you come to tell me that my son is dead?
Ebubeji sent us. He's alive.
What?
He said he did his work.
I'll wait. Thank you. Please come inside. I have something to eat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You must be hungry.
Very, very hungry.
Let me get you something
Thank
to
you
eat.
so much. Thank you.
Are you going to let him go with her?
My love for her died the moment she slept with her.
Will you save her?
I promised my mother something.
And what could that be?
That I will return with hurts.
Great is the heart of a hero. His heart is full of sorrow.
Come near me. Don't.
Great is the heart of a hero. His heart is full of sorrow. He will sacrifice to set his people free, to live in peace and harmony. Onyamanya dago.
You know what I'll do to you, man? I will kill you one by one and use your blood for charms. And for you, woman, I will spare your life.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And make you my wife. My wife.
Please, I want to go home and mourn my father. Please, I want to go home and mourn my father. Please. I want to go home and mourn my father. Please let me go home and mourn my father, please.
I have to save her.
Thank you.
I don't know his house. I have to go and find Segun.
Follow me. Follow me. His house.
Huh? Thank you, Nine. Thank you.
Listen. Do not fight a lion in his den.
Nine, I understand.
Who are you talking to?
Go on.
Thank you, Nine. Let's go.
My good friend, you did not tell me your name.
Ebubeji.
Ebubeji. Come and drink palm wine with me. I love palm wine a lot.
I don't want to drink palm wine. I'm here to ask for one more favor.
I can guess. You have come to pass the night with your sister here.
No. I want to go home with my betrothed, Unenwa.
You mean this beautiful woman is your betrothed?
Yes.
I am sorry. I will not let her go. She will be my wife.
No. Please let me go with her. If I don't go home with her, all this victory will be useless. Her father has died. And it will be a taboo for me to return home without her.
I will let you go with men from your clan.
These men deserve to die. Let me go with Unenwa.
I will do that on one condition.
Which is?
Fight me. Fight me! If you defeat me, you go home with your lover. Or if I defeat you, she will be my wife.
It is only a fool who fights the lion in his den. I cannot fight with you.
Then go home. Go home.
What if I give you one head in exchange of our life?
Ojukwu do not eat heads. Take the heads to your people. It is a sign of gallantry. You will be remembered for this.
Ugezu. Let us go.
Shut up!
Ugezu, we don't want to die.
What?
Ugezu, I'd rather my mother is not feeling too well.
Ezuruonye, fight! Fight so that they will release us. There won't be any strong man in Anukpa. Please fight. Fight!
Ebubeji, our hero, Onyamanya Abiago. Ebubeji, our hero, Onyamanya Abiago. Ebubeji,
Now, my daughter, hey, the lion of Anukpa is back. Hey. In here are the heads of Tinka and the Prince of Umar. I am sorry things did not work out the way I planned it.
Hey, wait! Where's Emeka?
I am not Omenuko's keeper.
Good answer.
I am sorry for the death of Ejiofor. I brought these heads to give him a befitting burial.
Ikedieze is still alive.
Is he?
Yes.
You are alive? Where's my daughter?
She'll be back soon.
She'll be back soon? Gucci, where's your father?
Onyamanya Abiago. Ebubeji, our hero. Onyamanya Abiago. Ebubeji, our hero. Onyamanya Abiago.
My good friend.
I have become a thing of laughter in my clan because Unenwa did not return with me. Her father is alive. He's heartbroken. I couldn't even look at his face twice.
I am Ojuku. I pay people back the way they deserve. Go home. I'll bring her back.
Ojuku, where have you brought me? Ojuku, please don't kill me, please. I beg you in the name of the gods. Don't kill me, please.
Go back to your father.
No. I am sorry. I know that I have offended you. I'm sorry. I owe you an apology.
I said go back to your father.
I will not go back upon you.
Here is your daughter.
Thank you, my son. Let's go. Let's go.
Ebubeji!
Nice.
Is that Ugochi's voice I hear?
No.
Ugochi. You came back alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Come and sit down. Hey.
Ugochi, I thought I would never see you again.
Why not?
How is Ebubeji?
Ebubeji came back alive.
Oh. And how is Agumba? Huh?
Agumba is now a slave to Ojukwu.
Ebubeji wants to have you as his wife.
Yes, huh? Yes, Nai. But I still think of Agumba.
But if you marry Ebubeji, you will have children that will stand against the people of Umodum when they come back for revenge in years to come. Huh?
Thank you, Nai. I will come back to invite you and Yuta for our marriage ceremony.
I will come.
Yes, sir.
I want to see it with my eyes. I want to see it happen.
Nani, you keep saying you want to see it with your two eyes as if you can see.
I can see. My eyes is in my heart and in my head.
Nai, thank you very much. I will be leaving now.
So soon to stay with us.
Go well, but great Ebubeji for me.
I will, Nai.
Nai, let me see her off.
Okay.
I'll be right back. I couldn't believe what I saw. Gochi, I heard Nai talking about Ebubeji. Do you really love him?
Yes, I do.
Then follow your heart. See, I will advise you to love and marry a poor brave man than loving a wealthy weakling. Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And you have to come a day to my marriage ceremony so you can help me with the cooking and other things.
That one? Hey, trust me, I'm going to be there 4 days before the day. Yes! So that you take me around the community, show me around your village people. I will meet with people before we even start talking about the cooking and the preparation of the
marriage. I'll be leaving now. Please, take very good care of me.
I will.
I will.
What's it, Segun?
See you soon.
Alright. See you. I don't feel like letting you go.
I'll see you soon.
Gucci.
I want you to forgive me. I am sorry, Bubeji.
Nemo, I have forgiven you. We can never be together. I think I did not know you slept with
Bubeji, it just happened. He caught me in my weakest moment.
He caught in your weakest moment. In your weakest moment. Now we need you. Go back to your father.
Baby, you have to listen to me. I miss you.
Then go back to your father.
I miss us together.
I said go home to you. Mother, you're welcome.
But where's your wife? You're welcome.
She's at the kitchen.
Mama, you're welcome. You're welcome. Ugezu! Ugezu, how could you do this to me? Your best friend.
I did not do anything to you. Segun, please take this to the kitchen.
What are you still standing here? Leave this.